So first I'm going to go in with my concealer. It's called the No Filter Concealer from ColourPop. I got it from Ulta for $6 and I'm really okay with it. It's not the best that I've used, but it's not the worst that I've used as well. So we're just going to highlight right underneath the eye area, and then we're going to go all around the lip area as you can see, and then we're going to do right down the middle of the nose. We're going to conceal and highlight the eyebrow area as well, and then we're going to do the bottom part of the lip. So next we're going to go in with our beauty blender. I got this beauty blender for $10 at Ulta, but we're just going to go in and blend out all the concealer. It did take a little minute to blend because I feel like this concealer is really stiff. However, I did speed up the clips so it wouldn't seem like I was taking forever just to blend the concealer. Now we're going to take the setting powder that I got from Oprah from my makeup kit at school. I got it in the dark shade, and we're just going to take that and we're going to apply it everywhere that we applied the concealer at the beginning of the video. I'm adding this also so I can set my highlight as well, and I also do like my foundation to look very matte, and this helps my foundation come out as a matte instead of a dewy look, which I really don't like. With my contour palette from Black Radiance, I'm going to go in with that darkest shade right there, and then we're just going to do our contour. So when I do my contour, I put the powder right underneath where I added the setting powder at. And I do this because I want my cheekbones to appear to be a little bit more higher, and just to make my face a little bit more sculpted than what it already is. I have no idea what type of brush this is, but I just use it to contour my nose. So I start kind of by where my eyebrow is, and I bring it all the way down with two lines on both sides, and then I actually do a little curved line at the end on each side as well, just to give my nose a little bit more dimension so it looks more realistic instead of two dark lines going down my face. Adding a little bit of the setting powder underneath my contour just so the contour can be a little bit more stronger, and we're going to wipe away all that powder. Now I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video.